price of a bag decreased by 10% to become what? 90%. Okay, and this 90% is $99. What was the original price of the bag? If this entire thing is the price of the bag, and this is your discount or decrease by 10%, this is your 90%, and this is $99. Okay, so they are saying that the price decreased by 10%, so it decreased by this 10% to $99, so this $99. So they say, what was the original price? Ta-da! Put a question mark to the 100%. Easy, easy. 90% arrow, $99. Okay, find 100%. To find 100%, merely go and take this divided by this, multiply by 100. 99 divided by 90, multiply by 100. Okay, so the going calculator for this is actually quite simple. Don't have to worry too much. Okay, 99 divided by 90, multiply by 100. So that will give us $110. Done. Simple.